Foundation settling and stair-step cracks in old houses like yours can seem scary, but here's what you really need to know to handle it smartly. Okay, so first off, all foundations settle over Timeno exceptions. Your house being built in the 1940s means it's had plenty of time to find its spot, and those cracks are pretty common. Fixing the cracks cosmetically is fine for now, but don't stop there. Get a structural engineer to come out and take precise measurements over multiple visits to see if the foundation is still moving. You want baseline data, not just a quick look-see. If the house corner is an inch or more lower, that might not mean immediate danger or need for pier installation. Sometimes it's just old settling. Keep an eye on it over time and follow the engineer's advice based on actual movement, not just cracked eyes. Also, sealing cracks helps prevent water intrusion, which can make things worse. Remember, no house is perfectly plumb or level when built, so some unevenness is normal. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with foundation settling is ignoring the issue or assuming every crack means disaster. First, people often jump to expensive fixes like piers without confirming ongoing movement. The fix here is to track measurements over time with a pro. Second, they neglect sealing cracks early, which leads to water damage. Always seal those cracks properly. Third, relying only on inspectors without consulting structural engineers can lead to misdiagnosis, because inspectors might call some cracks cosmetic without thorough checks. Always get a specialist's opinion who measures and monitors movement. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easier to find trusted local contractors for foundation, repairs, or inspections, so you don't have to waste time sifting through unreliable options. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who actually need their skills and build solid reputations in their area.